So I already bought 8 pieces of this white basket. You know, it's so hard to find white baskets in the dollar store, so if you see them, grab them. So what my plan is, just so my pantry is not empty, I connected or assembled the vacuum, and I'm using the soft roller cleaner head because I don't want to scratch the floor. I dust on the floor, and I don't know if you can see that right over there, and I'm going to try to vacuum it and see if it will work. Yay, I love it. And it's so quiet. So there you go. And I'm actually going to charge it before I use it. I just test it out for this. So yeah, I am super happy. Oh, it's charging right now. I just kind of put it against the counter here and charge it right there. Yay, I'm excited. So let's go back to that spot where I vacuumed earlier. Yeah. Super nice. I can't wait to vacuum this whole entire floor. Okay, move-in day today. So all our furnitures are coming in. And there goes people. Giving you an update. So I wasn't able to film the moving process yesterday because it was like so crazy, and I have to tell them where to put things and boxes. And this side here, as you can see, we don't have a dining table because the dining table that we used to have was very small. So we need a bigger table for this space. So we're getting that in a few days. And over here in the kitchen, as you can see, we just unpacked everything. Actually, the movers help us unpack everything. So I just kind of tell them, okay, just take them out of the box and just place them wherever you can put them. And I'm just going to rearrange this later on. I noticed I don't have enough cupboard space. So that's the downside of having an open floor plan, is you are going to give up that wall space or that wall cabinet space. Since I'm not gonna have a lot of space, cabinet space, I'm going to purge my glasswares and my collection and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I already have a box right there, so I'm going to purge this kitchen. So this is the only organized cupboards at the moment, and I like it. So I can open it and makes me feel like, okay. So but that's gonna change because I will be moving around stuff. Just a quick update. So it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I believe. Yeah, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is what I have accomplished today. So I basically just rearranged everything and purge my stuff. So it's right here. So as you can see, I still have some looks organized at the moment, so I'm just going to leave it alone for now. I can't even reach it, but I put all my glasswares in there for like my crystal stem glasses and stuff. I put it in there, and cake stand. Here, as you can see, I purged this cabinet. Yeah, because some of the crystals, crystal glasses and stemware, I moved them in here. So this is what's left. And in this drawer, I'm going to keep like, you know, kitchen tools. And right here, and some of them there. I accomplished a lot today. I started here at 10 o'clock, and then it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Actually starving, and yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm loving this countertop here, the island. So you can see my kids can just be creative right there and not worry about it. And on this side, look you guys, I found this fiddle leaf fig tree, or I don't know, fiddle leaf.
That's a fiddle leaf fig.
Yeah, fiddle leaf fig. So I found this at the I think Home Depot, yes. And they were only $14. And so I bought two. And this side is where I have this one. For now, I just put it in this basket, but the basket is way too big for the planter. So for now, it will do. I haven't hung that one. I'm planning to hang this one up there. Yesterday, I unboxed everything in the living room and in my bedroom. So all the stuff here downstairs, except for those two boxes, those are just like lights and cables and stuff. So those are my husband. He will take care of those because I just don't want to start putting stuff away and later on looking for it and I can't find it because I can't remember where I put it. I absolutely love the wall color. And if you are wondering what color is this, is by Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. And you guys, this is in between white and gray. It's not blue. There's no blue undertone to it. Hi guys, so it has been a week since we moved in our new house. I haven't filmed like the furniture placement and arranging the furnitures. I didn't film that. The reason why is it was a lot of work, and if I constantly holding my camera, it's like distracting and it just kind of takes some time to finish what we were doing. So I ended up not filming a lot. So this is so far what we did in the house. I have some random stuff there like the chair because my kids like to draw on the coffee table. I'm actually going to DIY this table. I might do that today or tomorrow. So this is what our living room looks like at the moment, and I really like it. Yeah, I like the placement. I just need to get a bigger rug, but for now it will do. So this is how I set it up. I just got that yesterday. We went to Ross and I found it for like $30 and I thought it looks really cute over there, but I might move it somewhere. And the fiddle leaf tree is surviving over here. I'm so happy with that. If you remember this cabinet, I used to put all my china pieces in here, but now I decided I put all the china pieces in the cabinets up there, or I don't know which one, but I decided I'm just going to keep my knickknacks, my collection of stuff that if I try to put them in all over the house, my house is going to look cluttered. But the problem is I really like these items. When I look at them, it makes me happy. So that's why I just decided to put them here in one cabinet. So when I look at it, I can still see them, but they're all contained in one space. So yeah, that's that. This house is actually pretty big. I still have a big space here. I was thinking I want to put a sofa table at the back here, and we definitely need to get new bar stools because look, this used to be in our house where we have a bar height countertop, and this is just a regular countertop. So as you can see, it's so high, but that will work for now. The kitchen is a bit messy because we just went to the grocery store and I'm also cooking dinner. And you guys, my favorite purchase ever. Actually, I had been using my Instant Pot since the day I bought it, and there is no turning back. The only time I use the stove is when I'm cooking breakfast, like eggs and bacon and stuff. But all the stuff that I cook for dinner, like meats and everything, I cook it in here. So if you are really thinking about Instant Pot, I suggest you get it because you're going to question yourself, why did you waited this long? Because like I asked myself, like, why did I waited this long to get an Instant Pot? So anyway, so if you want Instant Pot, go ahead. I haven't hung the curtains yet because the curtain rods that I used to have in my other house, I don't believe, the movers packed the rods, but they did not pack the brackets. So I don't have the brackets, so I'm gonna have to either get new curtain rods or um, get some new brackets. We also bought this new dishwasher. It's by KitchenAid. I actually love this because, like, if you remember when we updated our kitchen, we actually bought a new dishwasher. It was from the brand Bosch, and for some reason that dishwasher doesn't dry the dishes really well, but this one, I don't have a problem with that. It dries really good, and I'm really pleased. So we got this for a really good deal, so that's awesome. So, and my husband just installed it himself because he did it, he know how to do it. So yeah, but it was actually a struggle. They use different fittings for this one, so if you are considering to get this, make sure that you have somebody to install it for you professionally, because you might have some troubles. But I love this dishwasher. Now that we have two living room area, that on the top floor we use it as a family room. That's where my kids can be messy. They can have their toys all over the place. I don't have a problem with that. I keep this space here nice and tidy, which makes me so happy. You guys, so I am going to DIY this table. I am going to update it, and I am going to turn it into like a faux marble look. And yeah, so I'm going to do this. I actually have two side tables like this. The other one is upstairs. I'm going to do this one first, and then I will do this one next. Okay, you guys, I'm going to close the vlog here because this vlog is going to be really long. Let me know in the comment down below if you want to see more vlog style videos like this. I actually kind of enjoy it, even though I'm just so bad at it. So I've been vlogging here and there for the last 2 months, and I'm going to compile this all in one short video. So yeah, so you will know what I've been doing for the last 2 months, you know, when we moved from Texas to Kentucky and all that jazz. So yeah, let me know if you enjoy this vlog. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I already have a bunch of sewing projects lined up for you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to go back to sewing again and showing you more sewing tutorials. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!